Today I'm going to do a paper boat with a paper. You don't need anything. Materials are a paper in your hands. Okay, so first we have a paper. Make it square. Fold it like this, one side. Fold it neatly so our boat can come very nice and good. Now this, turn back. Now this is there. Turn back and fold it. Okay, fold it like this. Now just wipe the paper so you can tear neatly. Now we have this paper, tear it neatly. Very nice. So we are having a neat square paper. So it's nothing will happen if it be like this, because it came me also like that. So now you have to do a rectangle like this. Fold it in half because this is a rectangle. Now do it in a square. Fold. See, we have a good, neat little square, rectangle and square. Now you have some over here like 4. Take a single sheet and fold it like this. Now take the 3 papers which are like this and fold it in other side. Now you will have a thin sheet like this. Fold it like this and fold. I'm showing you again. Yeah. It's like this. Over here, open and fold like this. And you will have the upper like this, 2 sheets. Now turn it like this. You will have type of this. Now take this, it will be like flower when you take it and fold. See, we have a cute little boat. Now we have another sheet which we told to be a square paper. We can do 3 little babies for this mother. So this will be the bigger boat and 3 boats will come with this. That will be the smaller boat. Thank you guys.